Hey guys, I built out a SAAS kind of a Canva clone GIF editor, which can actually earn you a lot of passive income. Let's suppose $100 per day if you can deploy this application. So this is actually the full directory structure. It's a single page application, all the processing happening directly in browser. So once I run this application, the application runs like this. So this is a user interface. So we are running it on localhost and you can easily deploy this. So you simply select the GIF file, whatever GIF file you want to edit, and then we have quite a number of operations. You can change the color, resize, crop, compress. All these options are there. So let me show you one by one. If you want to change it to black and white, you can even do that. You can resize the GIF file instantly. The processing will directly happening in the browser because we are using this FFMPG library GIF scale. So this is all in one project for changing the properties of your GIF file. You can even crop it, whatever necessary portion you want to crop. So now you can see you can easily crop it. You can also provide an aspect ratio. You can even compress. Just provide the compression level. And then you can even export the GIF file to each individual frame as well. You can just see here, it will convert it to a image. For each frame, it converted to an image histogram. So it's a single page application. You can actually deploy it and earn a lot of passive income by placing advertisements or converting it to a subscription based service to users. All these operations, you can just see how fast it is. It is, you can even rotate it as well, 90-degree, and then you can click the download button for every operation. If you do you can download the output GIF. You can even change the speed as well by just providing the speed level, and you can increase the speed. So you can just see here, it increased the speed. And then we also have operation for flipping the GIF file, horizontal flip, vertical flip. So if you're interested in purchasing it, guys, the link is given. If you still face any problem, I will definitely help you. You can contact me. But it's a single page application. All the files are customizable. And after you deploy this, you can use AdSense or you can use a ad network, Ezoic, to actually place advertisement to earn a lot of passive income. I am also earning a lot of passive income by making these tool-like websites. By AdSense, you can definitely earn, but this Ezoic is also a very good alternative to actually earn a lot of passive income. So definitely, if you're interested in this project, definitely purchase it.